Hello everyone, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a refreshing Mint Pudina Sharbat, perfect for the hot summer days. Let's get started. First prepare the lemon juice. Start by cutting 2 fresh lemons. Squeeze out the juice and measure about 1/3 cup of lemon juice. This chilled minty drink is not only delicious but also full of health benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and aids in detoxification. Keep it aside for later. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sabja seeds or basil seeds. Soak them in water for 5 minutes. These seeds will expand and become gelatinous, adding a fun texture to the drink. Now take 2 cups of fresh mint leaves and cut them into pieces. Mints help with digestion and gives a cooling effect, making this drink perfect for summer. Put the mint leaves in a blender along with 1/4 cup of water. Blend until smooth. Once blended, strain the mint mixture to remove any large bits. This will give you a smooth mint juice that's ready to use. Did you know that mint has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat various ailments including headache and stomach issues? Now prepare the mint syrup. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Let it boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer. Adjust the sugar in the syrup according to your taste. You can also replace it with honey for a healthier alternative. Once the sugar has dissolved, add the strained mint juice to the syrup. Now add 1 teaspoon of black salt and 1 teaspoon of fried cumin powder. Mix everything well. If you don't have fried cumin powder, you can simply dry roast cumin seeds and grind them for a fresh aromatic flavor. Add 2 drops of green food color to give it that vibrant minty look. Let the mixture cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium-low heat. After cooking, allow the syrup to cool completely. Once the syrup is cool, add the prepared lemon juice to the mint syrup. Mix well. Now in a large pitcher, add 1/2 cup of mint syrup, 2 cups of water, for a single serving, add some ice cube, soak sabja seeds, two tablespoons mint syrup, and 1/3 cup of water. If you love this recipe, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies, and click the bell icon for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time with more delicious recipes. Stay cool and happy cooking.